All right, now we're going to jump into Photoshop and we're going to learn about their new Find Distractions tool, which works to remove people and also wires. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any pictures of wires today, but the same thing will work with people and with wires, so you'll get to see at least one half. So we're going to start out with this cute little girl on the beach. I did a family photo shoot there. It was a super crowded, wonderful day at the beach, so I had people in every shot. So my first tip before you do this is you are going to end up converted to a TIFF file at the end of this. So you want to make sure that you've done all of your raw edits before you remove people or before you remove distractions. So the general workflow should always be complete as much as you can in Lightroom or Adobe Camera Raw if you're using that. And then after you've done that, then move it to Photoshop for these big pixel-based corrections like this. Okay, so here we go. You can see clearly the men behind my subject here. We're going to play this video that I pre-recorded and I'm going to give you the live audio for it. Okay, so if you look here on your tools, you can find the remove option there. And then from there, you are going to choose the up at the top where it says find distractions. You'll choose finding people, and then you'll wait for a good amount of time. It found our people. I'm showing you here that you can see that it did a pretty good job, although maybe messed up a little around her hair. You can refine that if you want to. So in this case, I painted over it, removed the area. It's now taking that out of the person so that you're excluding anything you want to keep, basically. And then you press enter and it starts to remove. So here it goes. Takes a long time because it's doing a lot. I think also the bigger the space, the longer it takes. Also, the bigger the space, the less good it might be. So if you have a lot of people, you might consider doing this in multiple sections. But you can see here, it just disappeared. Here we've got another set. So I'm going to choose the remove tool, choose find distractions. You can choose whether to leave generative AI on or off. Then you choose find people. It found our people pretty well this time. So if you like it, you just press the check mark, you press the enter button. Everyone's settings are a little bit different. Some of them you don't have to press anything, it'll just automatically do it. And then you wait, and there they're gone. It's just magic. You can see there they are, there they're gone. It's that simple. It's really a great little tool.